In today's video, I'm going to teach you running code developed in Replit within VS Code. If you've built a project in Replit and want to run it locally, the process is really about two things: moving your project from the Replit environment to your computer, and then using VS Code's integrated tools to run it smoothly. I'll walk you through what that looks like in a clear, practical way. First, transition your project from Replit to your local machine. In Replit, export or download your project so you have all the source files on your computer. Save the project in a dedicated folder and keep the structure intact so paths and imports continue to work. If you get a compressed file, unzip it to a convenient location like your documents or a development folder. It's a good idea to glance through the files you've brought down to make sure everything important is there, including configuration files like package manifests or requirements lists. Be mindful of any environment variables you used on Replit. Those normally aren't included for security reasons. If your project relies on them, create a local .env file or system variables on your machine, and never share or commit sensitive values. Next, open and run the project using VS Code's integrated tools. Launch VS Code and open the project folder so the editor recognizes it as a workspace. You'll see your files in the Explorer, and you can use the built-in terminal to run commands without leaving the editor. From here, you'll run your app the same way you would on any local setup. For example, using your language's runtime command, or a script defined in your project's manifest. If your project needs dependencies, install them in the terminal before you start the app, then use the appropriate run command. VS Code also makes debugging straightforward. Open the Run and Debug panel, select a configuration that matches your language, and set your entry file. You can add breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables to verify everything behaves as it did on Replit. A few quick tips make this smoother. Make sure you're using a runtime version compatible with what you used on Replit. Select the correct interpreter or SDK in the status bar if needed, and install any language extensions that provide linting and debugging support. If VS Code prompts you to trust the workspace, go ahead so tasks and debugging features work properly. And finally, keep your environment variables local and private. That's the whole flow. Bring the project down from Replit, open it in VS Code, and run it with the integrated terminal and debugger.